Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Metamask account with seed phrase. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing you need to know is seed phrase is also known as the recovery table words that is shown to you when you have logged in previously. So in order to use seed phrase, you just need to log out from your Metamask account and you just have to scroll down a little bit and access this interface, and there will be a button called import an existing wallet. So before that, you just need to agree all the terms of use of Metamask. After that, you just have to click on import an existing wallet. Now you just have to click on that I agree, and after that the secret recovery phrase. There are 12 word phrase, secret recovery phrase, also known as seed phrase. So you just have to add all the 12 recovery phrase. After that, you just have to click on the configure secret recovery phrase, and after that you just have to make your new password, re-enter your new password. Then you will be able to access your previously made account of Metamask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.